Hi again, welcome to my garden. Here I am once again feeding my furry little friends. I'm feeding the birds today because they really do need their food at this time of the year. We're just coming towards the end of winter, but there is still very little food around for them to eat. So the birds love coming into the garden and eating all the delicious food that I have here for them. As you can see here, I have some sunflower seeds for the birds and some mixed seed and grain and peanuts. There we go, peanuts for the birds and the squirrels, and also some small suet balls, which are hardened fatty lumps with grain and seed inside it. So the birds really do like these as well. Okay, let's get refilling. This is the sort of thing I use for feeding the birds. This one is a very large bird feeder. As you can see, it's a long tube with small holes in the side and stands for the birds to perch on when they're feeding. So in this one I normally put the mixed seed. So that's this one. So we just pour it in. Pour it in until it is full. Wow. Now this feeder holds quite a lot of grain, so I don't have to refill this very often. Normally once a week is sufficient. Okay, that's that. It's ready to be hung back up. As you can see, because this is so long, I have to hang it up very high, like so. Up you go. There. That's it. All nice and full. Come on, birds, it's dinner time. You know, it's thirsty work flying around all day. So in my garden I have placed a little bird bath for my feathery friends to flutter down and drink from. And just in case they feel a little dusty from their flying around, they can also have a bath as well. Although this water is a little bit dirty, so I'm going to tip it away like this. And I'm going to put some clean water in instead. Okay, I'm going to use the hose pipe to fill this up with because I can do it a little quicker. There we go. It's all ready for my thirsty friends to come and have a drink. So all we have to do now is put some nuts in here for the squirrels and also for the blue tits and great tits, because they also like taking the nuts away whole. So as soon as I put these out, you can guarantee that some blue tits will come down and start picking them away one by one. And in here we will put some sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds also for the blue tits and great tits, and also the chaffinches as well. The chaffinches are very good at getting the seed out of the husk of the sunflower seed. Yeah, the chaffinch is very good at cracking them open very fast and taking the seed out. I don't know how they do it, but they do it very well. Okay. That's it, all done.